Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Shotcut video effects library downloads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Shotcut video effects library downloads, start by opening Shotcut on your computer. Once Shotcut is open, navigate to the settings menu located in the top toolbar. In the drop-down menu, select Show Extension folder. A File Explorer window will now appear, displaying the Shotcut extension folder. In this folder, you will find a subfolder called Effects. Next, return to the Shotcut application and go back to the Settings menu. This time, select Manage Extensions from the drop-down. A new window will open, showing all available extensions. Look for Video Effects Library in the list of extensions. Select it and click on the Install button. Once installed, the library will be integrated into your Shotcut application. Now, navigate to the Filters panel on the left side of the user interface. Click on the plus icon to add a new filter. From the filter options, scroll down to find the newly installed video effects. You can now explore and apply these effects to your video clips. To ensure successful application, preview the chosen effect in the preview window. Adjust any parameters as needed to suit your project. You have now successfully authorized and accessed the Shotcut video effects library. Enjoy enhancing your videos with various effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.